Listen, I kill this blood clot time now. My birthday gone. Every day is a different day. Life come with everything. I kill this blood clot time now. One only patch up out pussy kill this blood clot vagabond. Some zoom zam, zim zam there and blood clot staggerly. The whole of with a set of blood clot. Dirty Riverton dump. None of we no better than blood clot. None. I don't give a fuck. My voice, my piece, I said my fucking opinion. I mean, I care who want to take my pussy tongue and string it up like like noodle. Yeah, you know, bad, you could have had me for your life. Some know me a bad girl. Face your blood clot judgment. Go, you call me name, you invite me for your page. So you come, nah, put that on my life. I want it to come. Me don't want face on them. Me not busy when I want blood clot talk about yeah, who say I got teeth or who. Somebody mouth have to stink. All our mouth can't smell good. Move your blood clot, the whole of we stink enough time. Enough time stink call for your blood clot name like I call for my one. We stink enough blood clot. One time I there one party up at Stratford with me, Queenie, years ago. I think it was my birthday too. I never have no panty sheen. I'ma piss up my blood clot self. I'ma sit down on the cock up and one sit now when the piss lick me now, you know when piss lick pants, it turn think. And when the piss lick me, the girl when name Annie, Jingle Bell Annie, I can't call blood clot name, she turn up on my foot. I said me smell myself, me jump down. I mean, I don't know if Annie member should up on the live, maybe she not up on Instagram. Anyway, did have like a restaurant, and I say, you smell me? And she said, no. Well, I will stink blood clot sometime. Go. It's not about who stink, who lie down in a blood clot. I come talk about me no look clot. Me no need nobody for look clot. Me I clot my blood clot self. I am the fucking queen and I reign. I dirty disgrace time. Idle time now. Yeah. Sometime a positive, well, a negative blood clot time now, cause life is a balance. So now trample blood clot me. So nothing so now come to me no busy today and then I talk about my name where you call. I ask for the graves as me say already, yeah, you ask your ancestors, they come bump flicking a blood clot me. Go, my pitney dead and gone, she becomes ancestors and I don't give a fuck about your own them and no dirty blood clot burn ground. I'm going there tomorrow and I roll the same blood clot and put, I don't want to take blood clot cloth at my pitney funeral. So I'm supposed to plan it. I'm supposed to do what me want to do. So no make no blood clot sense. No can't win blood clot me. I'm not stop telling her the queen reign. I am the fucking queen. And the whole of we are queens. But no blood clot right. Don't come tell me blood clot shit on my pussy clot ears. More beat your man. God now make you beat me, my man. You're bad that you're afraid, but God now make it happen. Cause you're so fucking bad that you alone are gonna beat me, your man. You're fucking fool. Don't come look blood clot, chat shit. Fucking queen, and I was made for what I am doing. So my child dead, I don't come everybody a video of me plan I want to do. What do I come talk about my planet and me I look cloud? Me I cloud myself. You wanna check on yourself and check me. Me I know levels different. The old, the young, the peeling skin, everybody fascinated over the queen. World blood clot wide. I know my purpose, I'm not good. No girl for them blood clot purpose. But yeah, offer to dead blood clot. Kiss you on the dead blood clot people, them kiss me ass. After them, I'm not God. From me now tell God kiss me ass. Any blood clot thing else can kiss my ass. What the fuck? Talk blood clot facts. A facts me I deal with. One want to draw me down for look an ardence and then say me I look ardence. I am my own fucking ardence. Me not ask nobody for reach 1,000 blood clot pound 1,000. Anybody want blood clot, listen. Me a bad girl. Uno not bad. Uno smell blood clot bad. Fuck you feel like. Me no want to talk up some horrible things, you know. Cause it's not about that. I may tell you the God Almighty truth. I may not call them the name. It. Me not call it name. Don't come blood clot chat shit. The whole away are you man and the whole away shit don't come go like watch me that guy New York and wait till I make a beat up me and man. Don't chat shit. You're talking fucking crap. You can't do me and my husband any fucking thing. I am the fucking queen. I'm a rain, come my heart clean, no matter how cantanga blood clot me is. And anything me step on this one, me done, me I go beg God for forgive me. Any blood clot mistake me make, me not ask no for forgive blood clot me. Don't beat up who I wish a man. Nobody in a blood clot them, but clean it and follow them. More and follow them, cause when me never had a blood, me a follower. Sometimes me a blood clot leader, and sometimes me a follower. Well, today me a follow blood clot, like a butler. Yeah, me a itch up on a pussy like tampon. Yeah. Me come on live, come talk to my pussy stink. My pussy supposed to blood clot stink. If it not stink, it not wash. Blood clot when me wake from morning me not wash it. It must touch. But no infection in there. Because Omatan, blood clot there. When you go to Omatan, if you go today what date? Yesterday my birthday, today the 3rd of December. And when you do the test, it send it to your phone and it said the 3rd of December. And it give you, put in your number. And it tell you chlamydia, negative. This, negative. Down blood clot tell me about stink. I have the little girl mouth stink and you there on her, you should have blood clot. Tell her say her mouth stink and get some listerine and say little girl your mouth stink. Don't come blood clot look about the whole of them I tell her. I'm in a business about them and them lie. You call me, how you mean about how I mean Camille good? Camille is good to me, she want blood clot. But Camille, you go like people live on blood clot, papa roll and nobody live by you. One and wash other, you give me, and you never give me blood clot nothing either girl. Who this nobody not call me man. Me no want nobody call me. One and watch the other, and come look now, come talk about me, I look now hype, or nobody I look now. Me not look now cloud, me my own cloud. Instagram I play, and that I keep now. So me have to keep my platform. Me have my own blood clot craziness. So if me lie down in a prison, internet time. 20 years ago people would do that, not the prison, the cemetery. I will call my man, pass my phone, please. Don't come talk about you gonna beat up me and my husband. No look no look audience. I fuck with that. Don't come to me with no fuck with argument. Me I want cantankerous blood clot woman, but me reason with logics. You hear me? Don't talk shit on your fucking ears. Me I want powerful woman. You can't do me and my husband nothing. You know the reason why I answer the day when my husband come in at your DM? Because you burn me all long. I'ma breathe it off and it burn me over and over. But you not hurt me. So you not hurt me, I not come live and call your name, but you burn me. So my sister God make my husband reach. I come in at your DM and tell her to kiss my pussy. So what? Me you kiss my pussy in your DM. And that may I try show you. You not understand the logic of when me a blood clot. So you come tell me about she not send pussy. Me